you guys enjoy that tune? That is titled Long Road Home, written by me and recorded by me. So I did the guitars, and the drums. No bass, because I don't have a bass guitar, and no vocals, because I haven't written lyrics yet. Oh well, what can you do? But anyway, yeah, so that's a sneak peek of one of the songs I'm working on. So yes, as the title suggests, Mojito Chill Redo. So a couple weeks ago, or was it last week? No, 2 weeks ago, I did a video on a sample of First Canadian Mojito Chill that was unfortunately lacking the chill. So, that being said, Randy, my man, he hooked me up. So he reached out to me and said, "Listen, dude," he said, I have a tub of V2 Mojito Chill. So this is not the goat milk formula. This is the middle formula, and an opened bottle of Splash. If you want to send me the cash for shipping, I'll send you the soap and the Splash." And I was like, well, shit, yeah, of course. So here it is. I have a tub of Mojito Chill. And what does the back say? Intensely mentholated. I can't really read it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post that there. If you guys can read that, or pause the video and read what that says. I'm pretty sure it's got some funny stuff in there. I may have to, yeah, not recommended for use on naughty parts. So, very, very sage advice. So let's get a sniff of this. Whew. Yep. That's got the chill. So we're just going to wet the face and get right into it. Beautiful. Brush for the shave, soaking in ice cold distilled water, because it's about 40 degrees Celsius in my house, is the Coyote Cuts Latherizer Camo with the big 28 mil knot. Damp knot. Very cold soap. And we'll just get in there and we'll gently lather. And we'll gently lather. And we'll gently lather. And I can smell the coldness wafting off of this as I work the brush. So yeah, this is definitely, this is the stuff. This is the stuff. Can't wait. And once again, the scent on this is just like lime, rum. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, Jesus. I almost pick up a little bit of pear in this, too, almost. I'm not sure if there's pear in there or not, but anyway. Very, very nice, refreshing smelling soap. That looks to be a good load. I'm going to leave this uncapped. I want that to dry out. Some people recommend not lathering right out of the tub with these highly mentholated soaps, as it can mess them up. But I think Randy was saying if you just let it air dry, it'll be all right. And oh wow, yeah, there we go. Eyes are watering already. I can see. Nah, kidding, I can't. Gotchas. So we're just gonna add some cold water to this. I mean, like right off the bat, it's not like insane cold on the face here. It's definitely mentholated, and I know it's gonna kick in. And I know Randy said by the end of the second, third pass, it's just gonna start to burn from the intense cold. So we shall see. But so far, it's not too bad. And I'm just painting water into it here. But it is very, very hot in here. Very, very hot. So hopefully everybody's having a good week so far. Today, Wednesday, hump day. Mine's going good. Got this. And, oh yeah, that's cold. I got this, and I got an awesome care package from Highland Springs. So check out my Instagram, Red Island Shaver. There's a picture of that up there. And starting on Saturday, I will be starting to do some reviews on the Highland Springs soaps that were sent out by Chris and Mary. Oh my, eyes are watering now. Very, very lovely scent. Very fresh. I like it. I like it a lot. And just work this lather in. Stuff, this version too takes a whack of water too. I may have loaded a little bit light, but I don't think so. I think it's going to start coming together here. This knot is kind of funny too. It holds a ridiculous amount of water. So very, very refreshing, that's for sure. It's so cold it burns. I think we're getting a good amount of lather built up in the brush here now. Looks pretty good. Just about where I want it, I think. Just take a little bit more of this ice cold distilled water. Put that in. I'm gonna lather all over my fingers. Now my fingers are cold. That's very nice. I have one eye that's watering, which is the one that doesn't work. Other eye is good. Face feels like it's alternately on fire. And alternately like it's on fire, and like I have Frosty the Snowman sitting on my face. And I'm just gonna put that lather back onto the brush. Comes off the bottom of the neck. I don't want to waste that. Get the fingers dried off. Razor for today, since it seems everybody lately has been playing with their Sheffield steel. I'm gonna play with mine. So that is Wade and Butcher. 6/8 the Celebrated. I don't know if you can get any of that etching in there or not. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful razor. This was restored by Randy at First Canadian as well. And let's put some steel to the skin. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think I have about 3 days growth. Little much for this blade, this hollow grind, but it's getting it. Very good. Whew, and that is cold. First First pass done. It is very, very refreshing though. With the cold water rinse, oh my lord. Apply some more lather. But yeah, my face is funny. You know, people, you know, use straight razors to remove a lot of growth. My beard does not like being removed like a lot of growth with a straight razor for some strange reason, or at least not the extra hollow grinds. But now we got to mow down a little bit. This next pass will be buttery smooth. And that soap is definitely still very cold. Dill, yeah, it's so cold I'm forgetting how to speak. And it's funny because now it doesn't burn, now it's just really cold, which is great. That's what I want. And I'm rinsing this blade off in cold water today, so it's a total cold water shave. Very good. Scent strength is holding up throughout the entire shave. Lather has held up very, very nice in the bowl. Or the scuttle, I guess I should say. Fingers drying off. Trying to keep the sweat at bay. It is so warm. Wish I had an air conditioner. Very nice. Very good. I don't even think I'm going to do a cleanup today. I don't think. I'll do a final rinse and we'll see. No, I think that's good. That was a good shave. All around, very good shave. Just give me a second. I gotta get the sweat off of my face. Oh my Lord. It is so hot in this bathroom. Unreal. So yeah, I didn't really notice really much of a burn on the second, third pass. It just stayed cold. Now maybe that's just because it's so hot in here, but really that's exactly what I wanted anyway. Very, very refreshing on a hot day. I know I'm still sweating, but very refreshing. It is extremely cold, but you know what? It's not overbearing either. It's not like oh my God, I'm gonna start crying or whatever. And the aftershave splash as well, the Mojito Chill. And this stuff has got some legs too as far as longevity goes. This will last all evening. We're going to put a healthy dose on here. This is going to get the old fingers tingling. Oh yeah, get some more of that out there. Get some more of that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now the aftershave, it tends to start to burn at first. It goes on hot. It's like the splash is almost like motorboating an icy hot patch. It goes on hot and then it gets cold. Not that I know what it's like to motorboat an icy hot patch, but if I was to motorboat an icy hot patch, that is exactly what I think it would feel like. So that's it, guys. That's the shave. Mojito Chill Redo. Yes, this stuff is cold. Very, very cold. Performance is top-notch, as one would expect from First Canadian, and the scent is beautiful. To me, it's boozy, it's limey, it's sweet. Excellent, excellent stuff. There comes the burn. Holy cow. Now my forehead's burning because I put it up there too. Oh, wow. Yup. I like it. I like it. Thanks, Randy. You're a beautiful person. So that's the shave, guys. As always, friends, have a great day and an even better shave. Stay tuned for Saturday when we take a look at an offering from Highland Springs, based out in beautiful Cranbrook, British Columbia. Ciao.